All right, what's up? So today I'm working on getting the turbos put in place. I want to make this short video to kind of show y'all what I was thinking. You can see I got one there and one there. So my thought behind that is they get plenty of airflow through the grill. It'll also make the hot side short. So just be like a 45 there, a 45 there. Cold side would just be like a 90 and a straight coupler with a little piece of intercooler pipe between them. This will just be a straight shot. The exhaust will be able to turn out and come out the fender on both sides. So kind of like, the way it looks. It's a little bit tight up here. I'll probably have to do some trimming on this headlight bucket just to make a little bit of room so it's not touching, but there's plenty of room between the intercooler and the turbo. I was planning on tacking everything together and start working on welding everything out. So I started practicing with a welder just to get the settings dialed in. So this is some old pipe I had laying around. You can see. So that was about 40 amps, about 15 CFM of argon. I'm not back purging with argon. I'm using solar flux. As you can see, that's that brown paste in there. That's what it looks like on the bottle. So type B solar flux. But yeah, really happy with that. So if it comes out like that, I'll be really happy with it. I've practiced a lot over the last couple of days and finally got everything dialed in. I did pick up this number 12 gas lens, so really like that. Plenty of gas coverage. The problem is my helmet started messing up on me. It started flashing every time I'd go to weld. It'd be dark for like 10 seconds and it would flash, and it might come on, it might not. So changed the batteries, cleaned all the connections up, and it's still doing it. So I want to get either a new helmet or a new lens, but that's why I didn't get any further today. But yeah, just wanted to kind of give y'all a short little update on what I'm doing. It's starting to get dark, so about to put everything up and head inside. But yeah, like always, I appreciate y'all watching. Just a short, quick little video just to show y'all what I'm thinking. But yeah, I'll catch y'all next time.